Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this photo or a trace of a tree, and he wanted to know how to get rid of the white. And the person I'm doing for is going to be really irritated when I show him how easy it is. So you got some white background. He probably deleted some of them that were on the outside that could sneak in, but all the internal white parts are still there. Well, in this case, there's two ways to do it, an easy way and a little bit more involved way. But go up to Object and ungroup it, and then grab just the black and move it out of the way. And it's taken all the white and left it there. And then, of course, you can take all the white and delete it. Now, that doesn't always work 100% of the time. But here's another way. You can go to Edit, Find and Replace, Find Object, Edit Query. I'm using 19. It's a little bit different. Find Uniform Fill, and then double click on the text. Let's drag that box out of the way. Find Uniform Color, go up here to the black. I don't think it's going to be CMYK, and it doesn't really matter in this case because it's going to find it. Let's say RGB. But you don't have to even do that. Just take the eyedropper tool and grab the eyedropper and grab that white. Click out of that, hit OK. Find all. It found all the white and hit the delete. It's that easy. So if just dragging, if the tree's broken into other parts, you can't just drag it away. But in this case, you can. He also said it needed to be cleaned up. I really think it looks pretty good. This area right here, I know he's going to do it on leather, might be a burn spot. So you could always, make it less of a gathering of limbs there, but that's just personal preference. Because when you get a lot of black in one area, and other than that, well, there's one little, like a triangle looking piece that doesn't look normal, but you can just click on a node and delete it. And don't want to do that, but you can always take your shape tool and grab your handle of the area and get rid of it. If you have 17 and above, you could use the smoothing tool. But I think it really looks pretty good. We're going to make this a lot less, like 0.25. Click on your item. Let's zoom in here a little bit. Grab the smoothing tool and just click on your item. And right there and right here, just click on it and just barely touch it. You could play around with it till the cows come home. And this is a good part. If you hold down the wheel of your mouse, just hold down the wheel, you can pan over and look at things. Now, there's a little bit of gray. Sometimes you're going to have to click off your item. Tell you what, let's get yellow box, and I'm pretty proud of him to use the yellow box trick. Now you might not be able to see the gray. There it is right there. And just click on it and remove it. So you might want to, and you know what, it might be, well, let's back up here and put that gray back. Let's put our yellow box back. I'm going to right click, go up to Object, Order back a page. And let's see if we don't grab that black if the gray is in there. And there it is. So it would have deleted it more so by moving it than find and replace, because find and replace is only going to find the white. Other than that, I think it looks pretty good. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.